Finally getting to make the vegan fruit tart. And this is using the lemons from the community lemon tree. And we also are working on making margaritas. We have abandoned the concept of Kiwano Melon margaritas. It just wasn't a strong enough flavor to make any sense, but we will try topping the vegan cream cheese coconut fruit tart pie with Kiwano melon to see. Pretty! Okay. Getting pretty good at eyeballing these margaritas. So here's my recipe now. That much lemons, an equivalent amount of triple sec, approximately. Okay. And then blend with ice and stir in some tequila. I don't use double the amount of tequila like the recipe suggested. I just kind of put some in for whatever flavor. Good question. What is the tequila for? This time we'll use kosher salt. Okay, that looks good. Pour it in. And I add a couple of cubes. That doesn't leave enough room for the tequila. And some tequila. Alright, ready to rock and roll. So the first thing we do is get the coconut milk, put it in the pot, bring it to a boil, add the coconut cream, which we had to harvest some out of because we were making something else that, we were making our version of mascarpone cheese, which, vegan mascarpone, so we used some of the coconut cream. Don't tell anyone. They will never know. Wow, this is coconut milk. It sure looks like coconut cream. This, I have to remember this brand. Very thick. Okay, so it's thick, but it's still thinner than the coconut cream was, right? So now we're just heating that up. Those peppermint leaves that fell in there, it's gently boiling, so it doesn't say it has to come to a boil, so I'm just gonna put in the coconut cream now. Coconut cream is very thick. A lot thicker than the coconut milk. Okay, so we just stir that in. It's getting nice and thick already. And it says you can drink this water, so I'm going to let the boy drink that if he wants. Otherwise, I guess I can do it. So stir away, stir away. I gotta go measure out some stuff. 1 teaspoon vanilla, juice of 1 lemon, a third cup maple syrup, this is looking great. It looks very custardy already. Okay, it says bring it to a boil and then reduce to simmer. And then immediately stir in the arrowroot powder, a third cup. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, caught it just in time. Now we're going to measure a third cup arrowroot and supposedly sift it in, but I think I'll be spooning it in. Okay. Hopefully this isn't going to end up with lumps. That's why they want you to just sieve it in. But I don't have a strainer. Duster, what do you call it? sprinkler. This is where I'm going to be sorry. Oh my gosh, maybe we need to whip it. Let's see if we can just munch it against the side. Okay, so I smushed in most of those darn things. And whatever it is, we'll live with it. That one's a bit big. Go. Now we let it sit for a while, and the fruit goes back in the fridge because that's for tomorrow. Oh wait, when did the cream cheese get added? Phew. I was worried that I had missed it, but I had too many ingredients. We don't need it. So these are back in the fridge. This is back in the fridge, and I guess we're not putting any extra coconut because we ate it all. No toasted coconut. All right, yesterday I made coconut pie, and today I'm dressing it up with fruit. We are going to add the regular fruit, but we are also going to add, what else? Kiwano melons. So here I have a knife. I've peeled the Kiwano melon, and I'm going to slice it up. Into layers that I can place, very thin hopefully, that I can place on the pie and dress it up. Now this is just going on the pie, right? And the pie's already been readied, so it's just going to make for pretty. But that's plenty good, right? Just another way to use Kiwano melons that I've... Okay, that one's kind of icky. Doesn't get the whole circle. Right. So cute, so cute, so cute. We've decided that Kiwano melon does not make a good margarita because it just can't get close enough to the taste of the lime or lemon. Okay? How sweet this is. Okay, here we go. And then I'm going to get the other berries. Okay, that's pretty much it. Kiwano melon and berries on the pie. Sweet.